everyone, namaste and welcome back to my channel. So today also I am back with another new reaction video. So today's reaction is going to be on Young Lama ko outro featuring Biten. So let's see yo song चाहिँ कस्तो छ हैन. So ढिला नगरिकन let's go into the reaction part.
Smoking the ironic, smoking the ironic, fly like a boss, live like a two. Smoking this ironic, light up my bag and I'm back at the stool. Fly like a boss, live like a two. Like my wrist like a whip in the stool.
Smoking that jar means weed smoke गर्दै हैन. अनि riding around in a coupe means car मा चाहिँ riding गर्दै अनि smoking गर्दै हैन. So chill मा भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ हैन. So grind like a boss and live like it too means living like a boss हैन. So त्यस्तै भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ हैन. उहाँ चाहिँ flex गरिराख्नु भएको छ के कार राइड गर्दै अनि त्यसपछि living like a boss हैन. So त्यस्तो भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ हैन. So
Little 22 send his ass to the moon. Big 4 5 send your man to the Mars. Out of this planet, bitch, I'm a star. You pieces together, I'll break it apart. But I made it hard. I'm living like the gate.
Biten ko part. Okay, so Biten ko part मा चाहिँ Biten ले चाहिँ भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ सन्की पाराको छु तर love my gang and group भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ. Okay.
In the moment, don't like it cause she with a thug. Break it or bag it on like I'm the plug. Rack it or stack it on back in the club. Bitch, I'm the gold and I keep it a buzz. Get on the fish, give a facial. I been stuffing my pockets with pesos. The narrow, that fatty, that quesos. I be racking my shit like I say so. Cause my say so. Take it a day, ho. Rap, but it can't slow rats in the face. When you go, I ain't no go through my ASO. They broke as hell and I can't relate. Long as I live on my elevate. My shit special like 38. Brand new Chevrolet to 28. 28. What taste? See me body, my not tight. I know they mad at me, they love to hate. Cause they see my pockets is overweighted. Smoking as I help me meditate. Up in the sky, watch me levitate.
So Young Lama ko चाहिँ त्यो accent चाहिँ कस्तो खतरा के हैन. So difficult to understand.
1 2 3 and I gave her that D. 4 5 6 like we shooting the C. 7 8 9 she one of a kind. 2 4 7 we smoking that Z.
Biten is just chilling there हैन. So अनि giving company to Young Lama के हैन. So त्यही हो अनि the lyrics was damn good हैन. So Young Lama को चाहिँ lyrics हरु चाहिँ एकदम खतरा खतरा नै हुन्छ. This song is all about flexing money हैन. So living like a boss भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ हैन. So overall best collaboration हैन. Biten and then Young Lama को vibes was so good हैन. So मलाई चाहिँ त्यहाँ भिटेनले एकदम आफ्नो फ्रेन्डलाई एकदम सपोर्ट गरेर हुन्छ नि हैन. त्यहाँ चिल भएर के एकदम भाइब्स दिइराख्नु भएको छ नि हैन. त्यो चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो लाग्यो हैन. त्यही हो गाइस. सो हजुरहरुलाई चाहिँ मेरो रियाक्सन भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो? If you like my video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.